2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Lovely Day by Bill Withers. Okay, cool. We got some bar chords and stuff, so it's not really for complete beginners, but it's not that hard either. The song is in E major. First finger, second finger, third finger, to a C sharp minor, got a bar, 4th fret, 6, 6, 5, an A major, 7, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, to C major, 1, 2, 3, and then we need a quick B minor 7. That's second finger and third. Play D open and G open. So we got E major, C sharp, A major 7, stay in A major, C, B minor, E, C sharp, A major, C, and then we have bridge or pre-chorus, D, add sus, just bar 5th fret like that. E adds sus, bar 7th fret like that, to A minor, B minor, D adds sus, E sus, A minor, B minor, and then we have chorus. Same chords as the chorus. Chords, just changing a little bit. A major 7, C 7, verse. Stay a little longer in the A major. Pre-chorus. D add sus, E, day. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more great lessons and great songs. See you then. Be safe.